So for the hill ROM refurbishing, reconditioning, this is actually remanufacturing process. We're at the first station where all the electronics are going to be pulled off the bed. And then we just went through, we've got the total care hydraulic valves. The hydraulics are all going to be pulled out. The valves are all going to be redone. It's going to be a completely rebuilt hydraulic block. And we're also looking at the VersaCare boards, and those are all being pulled off right now. So this is the disassembly section, which is going to start everything off. And what's going to happen next is they're going to go over here to a cleaning process, and then once they go through a cleaning process, they're also going to be completely sanded down. We're going to show that as well. Right now, the beds have been brought in. They're being disassembled. Now they're going to go through a cleaning process here. And you can see these are the beds right now going through the cleaning process. Now what's going to happen next is that the beds are going to go through, they've got them all charted out as far as what features and things that they've got in them. Then they're going to go through the sanding process. So right now we're looking at the VersaCare beds. Now every hill ROM bed is done in here, so there's not a bed that you won't find going through the factory here to be remanufactured. And right now they're going to go through, this is the sanding booth. There's 2 sanding booths, but this is the first one. So now they've been disassembled. Now they're going to go through the sanding process. The rails then will be stripped off the beds, and every one of the rails is going to be completely redone. And you can see here that when they are completely redone, they're going to look brand new. So all these rails all being completely redone with brand new stickers, brand new paint right here. And then now we've got the section here where they're going into the paint booth. So this is how they're going to be stripped down. This is them being prepped right now to go into the paint booth. You can see they're all taped off. And there's 2 massive paint booths here that are basically going to go through the process of getting these beds completely repainted. So they're going to do the rails separately. The bed frames will also go in here. And you can see you've got 2 massive paint booths, which all that work is going to be done in. And we can actually go in here and see if they're doing it right now. So these are all the parts and pieces of the bed basically being completely repainted. These are all the rails. So all the rails, once they're painted, are going to be stacked and packed, and they're going to go over to the other section, which we're going to finish off, which is the reassembly process, where everything's going to be reassembled. All the electronics on the rails are going to be replaced. So over here, in fact, more of the rails being stripped down. They're going to all get brand new cables, brand new parts, and brand new electronics put into those. So right here, we're in the section where all the rails are getting all the brand new electronics put into them. These are for all the different beds. We're looking right now at Care Assist, VersaCare, and you can see they've come out of the paint booth, and once they're done, they're all stacked and packed. Over here, the rails are all going to get brand new stickers. So all the rails right here for the Advanta, we got the Advanta beds, the advanced beds, even Century beds over here. And then now we're in the section where we're going into the reassembly. So now the bed has basically gone through being disassembled. The bed has basically been sanded down. It's been painted. Now it's in the reassembly process, and you can see this bed looks brand new, all brand new plastic, all brand new stickers. Like we showed earlier, the beds are all disassembled. They've got completely brand new motherboards. They go through, actually we missed the wheel section. We'll just go over here real quick. Over here, this is where the beds all get brand new wheels and casters. So right now, this is a section right here. These are all brand new casters. These are nickel coated, and that means that they will never corrode. You've got brand new wheels, and those are all going to be put on the beds. And basically this hydraulic lift is what they're going to lift them up with. They're going to lift up the bed and completely replace all the wheels and all the casters on the bed. All the cables, once again, as we said, are stripped off them. And you can see this is a massive undertaking. When you buy a remanufactured hill ROM bed and you're getting it, this is the process that it's going through. And all brand new electronics. We just showed earlier the whole section right here was just being disassembled. Now it's being reassembled. And now we're in the section right here where everything's being reassembled. And then once the reassembly process is done, it's going to come out here and go through the packing process. So that is the complete process on getting the beds completely reconditioned, remanufactured. All makes of heel round beds, and now also doing striker beds as well. But for more information on getting reconditioned beds, give us a call, visit our website for more information.